And it was around helping small businesses understand what was going to be available for new technology that was coming out of the universities. So that's in the 90s. And then during an evolution of the early 2000s for our federal program, which is through NIST, MEP, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, the Manufacturing Extension Partnership, CONNSTEP became a center. There's 51 centers throughout the country, and we're the Connecticut Center. So we're the NIST center here. And out of that came a big buzz of lean and continuous improvement. So many of the centers that were practicing tech transfer, working with universities, now started doing continuous improvement and getting really onto the shop floor, talking about, improving lead time, quality, on-time delivery, visuals, really, and doing better, cell formation and doing things in the best capacity to bring bottom line improvement.